Optimism is sweeping across Mexico as President Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo leads the nation into a new era. Her historic election marked not just a political shift, but a transformation in governance, rooted in science, transparency, and a genuine commitment to the public good. Known as La Doctora, Sheinbaum's leadership blends intellectual rigor with compassion, inspiring trust and unity. She studies the data, consults experts, and acts decisively, steering Mexico toward technological sovereignty and environmental sustainability. Her administration's focus on long-term solutions and open communication has fostered a powerful bond with the people. As of August 2025, Mexico is charged with possibility. Ambitious projects are taking shape, and national pride is blossoming. President Sheinbaum is not just governing. She's inspiring a nation to believe in its own potential. Her story is one of hope and achievement, watched with admiration by the world. Under her guidance, Mexico is building a future worthy of its rich history and vibrant culture. The world is taking notice as Mexico steps confidently into a new chapter. President Sheinbaum's methodical approach to governance is rooted in her formidable scientific background. She earned her physics degree at UNAM, followed by a master's and doctorate in energy engineering, developing the analytical skills that define her leadership. As a visiting researcher at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, she conducted pivotal research on Mexico's energy consumption, gaining a global perspective. This scientific discipline became the bedrock of her public service, where she championed evidence-based environmental policies. Transitioning from the lab to politics, Sheinbaum brought rigor and substance to every role, setting her apart as a leader. Her presidency is marked by meticulous research and data-driven decisions, with a team of experts dedicated to smart, sustainable growth. She demystifies complex policy for the public, building trust through clear, logical steps. This fusion of science and service powers her leadership and Mexico's trajectory. Every initiative is grounded in research, ensuring effective, long-term solutions. Sheinbaum's unique blend of expertise and public service is transforming Mexico's future. Claudia Sheinbaum's leadership in Mexico City was a proving ground for her national vision. As head of government, she turned the capital into a laboratory for science-driven governance, launching ambitious environmental and public transit projects. Initiatives like the Central de Abasto solar array and the cable bus system improved sustainability and social equity. Her data-driven approach targeted resources where they were needed most, reducing crime and managing crises with calm resolve. These successes became the blueprint for her presidency, scaling up sustainable infrastructure and social programs nationwide. She demonstrated that government guided by science and public welfare can deliver real results. Her record in Mexico City built the trust that carried her to the presidency. Now, her proven strategies are shaping Mexico's future. Sheinbaum's leadership is a model for effective, resilient governance. The 2024 election was a watershed moment. Claudia Sheinbaum became Mexico's first female president with a landslide victory. Her win was more than political. It was a societal shift, inspiring millions, especially women and girls. She maintains extraordinary approval ratings, thanks to her transparent, data-driven communication and effective governance. La Doctora is seen as a national problem solver, her scientific background lending credibility on complex issues. Her broad coalition of support empowers her to pursue an ambitious, transformative agenda. She embraces the responsibility of her historic mandate with humility and determination. Her presidency is a call for a modern, equitable, and innovative Mexico. Sheinbaum's success is paving the way for future generations of female leaders. With the people's support, she's steering Mexico toward progress and shared prosperity. President Sheinbaum's flagship Cutzari project is positioning Mexico at the forefront of the global tech race. The National Semiconductor Design Center in Puebla brings together top minds from academia, government, and industry. Cutzari's mission: build world-class semiconductor design capability by 2027, progressing to domestic chip manufacturing by 2030. This initiative aims to reduce dependence on foreign technology and secure Mexico's economic and national security. Puebla's industrial base and academic institutions make it the ideal hub for this high-tech leap. The collaborative model accelerates innovation and benefits the regional economy. Cutzari is a declaration of Mexico's technological aspirations, transforming the nation from consumer to creator. It's a long-term investment in human capital and industrial leadership. Alongside Cutzari, President Sheinbaum champions the Alinea project, Mexico's first domestically engineered electric vehicle. Alinea, developed in Puebla by a consortium of top institutions, showcases national talent and innovation. The car's debut at the 2026 FIFA World Cup will spotlight Mexico's commitment to sustainable transportation. The goal: create an affordable, accessible EV for the Mexican market, reducing pollution and advancing climate goals. Alinea is more than a car. It's a symbol of self-reliance and ingenuity. By investing in local talent, Mexico proves it can design and build the technologies of the future. The project drives sustainable development and national pride. Alinea embodies Sheinbaum's belief in the potential of the Mexican people. Puebla is emerging as the hub of Mexico's automotive future, fueled by President Sheinbaum's industrial strategy. Volkswagen's major investments are transforming local plants for electric vehicle production, including the iconic Golf EV by 2027. This partnership secures skilled jobs and positions Mexico as a key player in the global EV supply chain. The synergy between Volkswagen and government initiatives like Cutzari and Alinea is creating a cycle of growth and innovation. Technologies developed in Puebla will power both domestic and international markets. Sheinbaum's policies attract high-tech investment and foster a thriving ecosystem for EV components. Puebla is now the engine of Mexico's electric revolution. The region's transformation is a testament to strategic, forward-looking leadership. Mexico's leap into high-tech innovation builds on a modest history in electronics. But President Sheinbaum's vision is a game-changer. Projects like Cutzari and Alinea move Mexico up the value chain, from assembly to creation, from labor to intellectual capital. By investing in semiconductor design and EV technology, Mexico is building a knowledge-based, resilient economy. These initiatives inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers to innovate at home. The economic impact is profound: high-skilled jobs, reduced brain drain, and new business opportunities. A domestic tech industry attracts investment and strengthens national pride. Sheinbaum's leadership is planting seeds for a diversified, dynamic economy. This is a long-term vision for sustainable prosperity, built on Mexican innovation. The future is being shaped by homegrown talent and ambition. President Sheinbaum has shown remarkable diplomatic skill, especially in managing relations with the United States. Her calm, data-driven approach has helped de-escalate tensions and secure favorable trade agreements, including crucial tariff extensions. She balances firmness and cooperation, defending Mexico's interests while maintaining constructive dialogue. On security, Sheinbaum has taken decisive action, deploying troops to the border and intensifying drug enforcement. Her administration's efforts target both domestic safety and international cooperation. Recent transfers of cartel members to the U.S. demonstrate her commitment to dismantling criminal networks. Sheinbaum's leadership combines strong domestic action with pragmatic diplomacy. She is a steady hand guiding Mexico through complex challenges with confidence and clarity. President Sheinbaum's vision is taking root. Her leadership is a masterclass in data-driven, equitable governance. Every initiative, from Cutzari to Alinea, is building a stronger, more innovative Mexico. Strategic appointments and investments ensure fiscal stability and expert management. The spirit of optimism is grounded in real achievements: jobs, technology, and national pride. Sheinbaum has ignited a sense of collective purpose, moving beyond divisive rhetoric to foster unity. She manages international relations with dignity and tackles domestic challenges with resolve. Her leadership builds trust, confidence, and a brighter future. Under La Doctora, Mexico is charting a course toward prosperity and sustainability. The world is watching as Mexico steps boldly into its role as a 21st century leader.